Create. Chuletas and Fricase Ardiente. And what I mean with this is going to be pork chops that are going to create in some sort of wine sauce, but I'm going to make them spicy. Natural ingredients, even my sazon and adobo 100% natural, no dyes, no artificial colors. So these are shoulder blade pork, therefore they're going to be a little bit, more muscle. So I'm going to cook it a little bit different. People cook traditional pork chops. This one has some bone, that's fine. Just put a little bit of salt, that's it. You don't need anything else. Just some salt. Make sure this is at room temperature too, okay? Medium, high. I like to use the cast iron. This one is kind of flat a little bit. So what I'm going to do, going to take care of this baby. And I'm going to cook both. It's about a couple minutes on one side, couple minutes to the other, okay? Each one of them. So I have this pan here, medium, high. That's the heat. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this oil and pork fat, and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to transfer here. It's a little bit hot. This is the place I just cook the pork. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sauteing the onions, okay? It's about maybe quarter of an onion, yellow onion. I have a couple carrots which I peel and cut, and about half of a red bell pepper. I'm going to add both. If you happen to have some cilantro or whatever, you can add a little bit. You don't have to go crazy. Just a little bit of cilantro. I'm creating some sort of sofrito here. Mixing it up, sauteing things. I have about 3 teeth of garlic which I chopped. Cooking. Let me saute this, okay? I have some olive without the seed. I like to add them now. Getting out the flavor mix. Now it comes my adobo and sazon mix. You already saw the ingredients. Going to mix it up here. Going to put on top of this. Let them mix. Going to add about a cup of wine, red wine. Just a cup. Let me mix things up. Let me lower the heat to a couple notches above medium. Let me do this for a minute or two, okay? Going to add some water now. It's about 2 cups, maybe 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the porks. And give it a quick taste to see if it's good and salt. Just a quick taste, okay? Let me add a little bit more salt. Then what I'm going to do is bring up the heat. And this is what I'm going to do. You have 2 options. You can add a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of each ground cayenne pepper and crushed red pepper. That's one option. The second option would be to come with you chili paste. Link in the description. This stuff are refrigerated. And this stuff, all you need is a teaspoon. And this is using natural ingredients and it's easy to make. So I made that early in the week and here it is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add it. I'm bringing the heat, okay? Just bringing the heat. And it's going to give it a nice color and nice texture. 1 teaspoon is enough, okay? And I'm going to let this cook. Let it cook at first for like maybe 15 minutes and then we come and revisit. So 15 minutes later, and with 15 I mean 1-5. I got some rosemary. I'm going to add some rosemary. And I'm going to let this go for another 10 minutes. I'm also going to add a couple serrano pepper. You can go red pepper. And I'm going to let, once again, go for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, if you feel that your fricassee is too soupy and you want a little bit thicker, get some cornstarch. Just a little bit. I said about a teaspoon. Sprinkle up. That will thicken it a little bit. You can mix it a little bit with water too and put it there, but I'm not going to waste my time with that. And then what I'm going to do now, add some green peas. Going to add them. And I'm going to let this cook for another 7 minutes, okay? 7 minutes. You can eat this with rice, but I like to put a little bit of mashed potato. Put some mashed potato there, okay? That's tablespoon, scoop, whatever you want to call it. Keep you honest.